We are discussing about the polar regions. First of all, the region has a continuous day and nights. There is no sunrise sunset as like in our country. Very cold region. Example: ice on land, ice on a stream, ice on a rivers. Topics: where is the polar region? Seasons into the tundra, summer vegetation. The people Eskimos, group life, hunting and fishing, food and shelter, clothing and crafts, religious benefits and recreation, contrast with the outside world. What is polar region? We see the North Pole and South Pole in the globe. The region which lies near the poles is called polar region. The northern part of the region is known as the tundra. Tundra means very cold, get very little sunlight. The unique type of vegetation known as the tundra vegetation. Seasons in the tundra: sunset and sunrise in our country, but quite opposite in this region. November, December, January, the sun close, not rise at all. Very bitterly cold in these months and extremely cold. Water changes into the rivers, lakes, seas in freezes. Due to the cold, dark and ice, all the plants die. Summer. In this region, sunshine only half an hour, gradually 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 16 hours, finally 24 hours, that means one day. May, June, July, never the sunset, shine all 24 hours. The horizon in the place where the earth appears to meet a sky horizon. Due to warm weather, some of the ice melt. Huge chunks of the ice break off and float in the ocean is called ice belts. Vegetation: due to the cold, the upper soil surface of the region is frozen into a rock like a state all through the year is called permafrost. Most of the tundra region is treeless. The people Eskimos, they live in Greenland, Canada, Alaska, Siberia and Arctic region. Eskimos way of life depend on too much challenges. Common meaning of Eskimos is snowshoe netters. There are two groups, one Inuit and Yupik. Eskimos came from northern Asia. The Yupik are spoken in southwestern Alaska in Siberia. The Eskimos first enter in North America. Eskimos live in Canada 22,500, Siberia 2,000, Greenland 43,000, Alaska 30,000. Group life: there are villages of over 500 people on the northern Alaska coast. In a eastern region, Greenland, Baffin Island and Labrador. A type of group might have 25 to 45 people. Sometimes they are covered a circuit of more than 1100 kilometers. The across snow and ice on sledges pulled by the dogs, and they are travelled on water. Open boats are called hummocks. Hunting and fishing: highly skilled on hunting and fishing. In lakes are narrow streams, shoot with bows and arrows with harpoons. Fish are netted muddy water and through holes in the ice. Kayaks are a small canoes like a boat. Food: Eskimos diet meat, fat and fish, and it's stored in the shallow pits. Wood to make fires for roasting or baking is scarce. They were always boiled using the heat from oil lamps. Shelter: igloo means shelter. Any kind of shelter is called igloos. They live in tents made up of animal skins in the rear of the house and on the both sides of doors. The side benches support racks for drying clothes, food supply, and seal oil lamps that provide light and heat. Clothing and crafts. Eskimos wear boots called mukluks, trousers and hooded jackets called parkas. Bareboat swans skin is preferred in winter because soft and warm. Bone, ivory and wood with a soft stone prepared tools and weapons. Religious beliefs. Eskimos religion shows a deep concern for health, sickness, starvation and death. Beliefs people and animals have a soul after death. Each person, family groups has a taboos, bands, ceremonies, birth, death, hunting very poor, very successfully is called sharmas. Recreation, wrestling, racing, harpoon throwing, contest and athletics, religious, storytelling, singing, drumming and dancing were occasion for a huge feats, meat and fat. Contacts with the outside world. British Mayor Martin Frobisher visited Baffin Island in 1576-78. Danish and Norwegian find traveled northwest passage to China. Outsiders brought new diseases who had no immunity or resistance. They have a smallpox, tuberculosis, influenza, whooping cough phenomenon, etc. A relation between Eskimos and outsiders is called boom and bust.